Hey, we need to talk about how gross your phone probably is. Think about all of the areas that you take it: the bathroom, setting it on restaurant tables, countertops at maybe Walmart or other grocery stores. Your phone has got so many germs on it if you're not regularly cleaning it. So I got these Fortress wipes as a gift so that I could try them out and then show them to you. And I have been using these every day. They've got this sticky tab here, and you just go in and you pull one out like that. Very easy. Seal it back up. And then it is a really nice, kind of sturdy wipe here, very damp. And then you're just going to wipe everything down. Now what I've been doing is I've been taking mine out of the case, and I just wiped it down so now it's slippery. There we go. I take it out of the case, I wipe the whole thing down, and then I take the case and I wipe it down and I get in all of the little grooves. Because, I mean, think about it. You're putting it up to your face? Gross. So, I have liked these. The scent is very pleasant, not too strong. And yeah, doing a great job of cleaning my phone and cleaning my phone case. So, these are nice. They're specifically designed to clean the germs off of your devices. And like I said, I've been using it every day. I'm just more self-conscious of the germs that are probably on my phone. So very thankful to try these. And if you now have an epiphany about maybe the germs on your phone, you should probably try these. Thanks. Okay, be honest. How often are you cleaning your phone? Be honest. Tell me below. I'll start. It has been several months until I got these. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please click subscribe. Thanks.